What's good, pretty gang? So I forgot to record an intro, so y'all gonna have to look at these videos of me trying to take my thumbnail picture. But basically today we're installing and styling this wig from MscocoHair, and it's a pre-colored 99J wig, even though it's clearly bright red, but apparently it's 99J. So yeah, stay tuned if y'all are interested in how I got this hairstyle. So to start off, I'm not doing my ball cap method. I told y'all I'm not doing that no more, okay? This is so much easier. So I just have a wig cap on, and then we're putting the glue along the hairline. As always, I'm doing 3 coats of glue, starting with this first one that I went a little too heavy on, but that's okay. So once you have your first layer on, you just want to blow dry it and make sure you don't do the second layer until that one is perfectly clear. And now that it's clear, I'm going in with my second layer, and you can see I'm just doing the exact same pattern, and then I'm gonna spread it out. So now that we have our second layer on, we're blow drying it, and we're about to move on to our third. So the third layer, always do it in sections. That's how I do it. It's the easiest way. And y'all can see, even with this wig that I've worn before and it's cut, the lace cut and everything, it's still the easiest method. So I recommend doing this. But here's my third layer, and I'm just putting it on the very top, and then I'm about to pop the wig on and just only stick it in that section. I like to comb my hair into place with a comb just to make sure that the glue really grabs onto it. And then we're moving on to the other 2 sections that I do have. So this is the second section, third layer, and we're doing the same thing, spreading it out, blow drying, and then we're gonna pop the wig on. So I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all watch me do the rest. Okay, now that it's on, we're about to get to styling, but first I put some foundation on my hairline just to make this pale lace blend in with my skin better. And then I'm taking this blade and I'm just cutting extra lace off. And then I'm just gonna tie the hair down real quick. And while it's tied down, we're starting to style. So I pull up my half up, half down. I couldn't really show y'all this because I just guessed with my fingers. And then after that, I'm pulling out this U-shaped section in the front of my half up, half down. That's gonna be our bang. And then in the back, you see I'm just hot combing the hair down so it doesn't get caught in my half up, half down ponytail or anything like that. And then I'm just putting a loose ponytail in my hair just to keep the hair in this spot. So next we're wrapping the hair because it's been long enough. So it's pretty much laid as it's gonna get. And then you see I'm about to start working on my bangs. So all I'm doing here is I'm using a wax stick and a hot comb, and I'm just pressing the hair forward so that it doesn't go into the ponytail. And then we're finally like getting more precise. So I'm taking the right tail comb, parting my section, and then putting the bang where it belongs. And then we're just gonna hot comb the rest of the ponytail into its place. This is another loose ponytail. That's not the real ponytail. So we're just putting a loose one in while I continue to work on my bang and hot comb the ponytail in place. So now we're about to start on the bang, and you see the whole bang is just held down with Got To Be spray. So I just work that in there with my rat tail comb and comb it into place. And then in the back of my hair, I put a tiny elastic and put the bang into a ponytail. And that's how it stays in place. So here I'm just taking out my baby hair so that I can start working on my ponytail. And I tried to work on my ponytail for a little minute, you're gonna see here, but my baby hairs kept getting stuck in it. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut the baby hairs real quick. So yeah, another loose ponytail, then we're cutting the baby hairs, and now we're back to the ponytail. And this is our final time working on it. So we're just hot combing, and then I think I used Got To Be spray. And then I took a really tiny elastic because I realized I was holding my hair better. And then on top of that, I put my real elastic, just so that the balls have something to hold on to, as you'll see later. So right here, these little balls, I needed them to have something to hold on to, and I thought my big elastic would be better for that, so they don't just slide down my ponytail. But yeah, those are installed now, so this look is pretty much done, y'all. Now we're just doing baby hairs, and the rest is just self-explanatory. I hope I explained that good enough. It's kind of confusing, and it's kind of moving fast, but pause this and rewind as y'all need, of course. And then right here, you see I'm touching up this ear tab. I know y'all saw that y'all lifted earlier, so we just putting it back down so that it could look sleek and finished. Girl, look at my hair. This is so cute, y'all. I would definitely do this again on a different unit. But I look rough right now, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna tie down my hair, put on some makeup, and then I'll be back for the finished look. Alright, y'all, so this is how my hair came out. Okay, it's cute, period. It's so cute. It's giving cherry on top. It's giving, you know, bubblegum in a fucking dish. Like, stop playing with me. Y'all, as y'all can see, my eyebrows are red. I filmed the video on it just now, so that video is gonna be coming out right immediately after this one. But yes, y'all, I have nothing to say. I do like this hair, and of course, as I said in the video, or if I didn't, this hair is pre-colored, and I didn't have to do nothing to it. No bleaching, nothing crazy. I plucked it, and that was it. And at the end of the day, the plucking didn't matter because I covered half of it. But yeah, I've been dying to try this hairstyle. I didn't expect to try it on red hair or color hair at all. I was gonna do it on black straight hair or black curly hair. That would be pretty. I was thinking, like, do y'all think I need 2 more like this? Or should I just stop? Do y'all think I should put 2 more like this? I think I'm gonna leave it alone, only because the ponytail is so skinny. Like, I did not leave much hair in this ponytail at all. It's very thin. So if I put any more of these, it's gonna look crazy. I think it would look better with more bubbles, but I think it's just gonna take over my whole ponytail, and I don't want that right now. So overall, I think I'm gonna have to give the wig a 8.5 out of 10, because the one thing that's bothering me is that it didn't go super straight. But yeah, overall, I love my hairstyle right now, and I hope I'm gonna keep it in a minute. But knowing me, these swoop bangs, me and them, we don't get along. It's gonna be gone in 2 days probably. So yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. If you want to see pictures of this hair and see how long I keep it in, follow me on Instagram at itsprettym. But yeah, check me out on there for behind the scenes updates, and so y'all can see hair before I even put the video out, because I'm filming this like 5 days in advance before I'm gonna put this video out. Stay tuned, keep watching me on there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the pretty gang so you can be a pretty gangster like me, okay? Because look how pretty gangsters look. Like, we cute over here, sis. Like, what did I say? Pretty, okay? And also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post, so you can be the first to know and first to comment. And I'll pin your comment if you're first. How about that? But with all that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to check out the video on my eyebrows too. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.